Now synthesis of benzylic acid from benzyl with DST monograph method. Here we have taken benzyl and potassium hydroxide. We have to triturate this thing in a free flow powdered form. So Wasif is doing this. First of all, we have, see, that powder should be in a free flowing form. So we have to triturate this one in one direction. We should not change the direction of the trituration because we won't get the free flowing. You know, you have studied the emulsion, same manner. So we have to triturate the powder in one fashion. If one direction, if we have used, in the same direction we have to triturate until it will get in the free flow form. So first, what we have synthesized? We have synthesized benzylic acid from benzyl in a two-step method, but here we have taken direct benzyl. That benzyl we have added to potassium hydroxide. Then we are making here the free flowing powder. Then Wasif came along with the spatula. Then he will show you how that powder will become in a free flow form. Very hard working boy he is. See, the man behind the all videos. See, this powder will become in a free flow form. We have not added anything, just we have added potassium hydroxide and benzyl. So this is the DST monograph method. It's not that much time consuming method. Here we have removed all the solvent, the hazardous chemical which what we are utilizing, that those were not eco-friendly. So acids we have removed, acetic anhydride we have removed the concentrated acid. Now we are going to make this one in a free flow form. See how much hard work he was doing. Because of you people, you all are sitting in home and watching the videos. Very lucky people.
पॉपकॉर्न भी खा रहे थे।
हाँ,
I mean लेज वगैरह जो भी है।
See, listen to Wasif. Wasif, you are having any comments on this?
बैठो घर पे और लेज खाओ खाली यार क्या। ऐसे ऐसे
in a free flow form. See, it's looking like milkshake है ना वैसे?
चॉकलेट शेक।
चॉकलेट तो चॉकलेट की तरह रही है, तो अलग कलर लग रहा है वैसे।
चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक,
चॉको वनीला है ना?
हाँ।
So see the color, same color we have synthesized. This one is your classical method. So what benzyl we are getting, benzylic acid what we are getting is same color. See, जो benzylic acid हमको मिला, so that is getting regenerated in this. See, we are getting huge amount of crystal in this. It takes some time to come out. We have acidified this one. See, crystals are getting up here. I think the crystals were visible. After some time we are going to filter out this one. We will take the yield of that product. See, the crystals were getting regenerated. So these are the shining crystals of benzylic acid, what we have synthesized in 2 steps. It has taken 2 steps, then 1.5 hours to get the product. So here only 20 minutes we are going to get the product. Just we have to triturate it, then we have to dry it, then we have to add distilled water. Acidification will get our benzyl. Over. Within 20 minutes product ready. काम करते हो उसी में वाटर डालते हैं हम, है ना?
प्रोडक्ट फ्लो हो गया।
हाँ,
खाली मोटर पेसल बड़ा है ना, इसकी वजह से साइड में जा रहा है।
add distilled water to that. And then we have to boil it on water bath. No, we have to heat it. इसको निकाल के हीट करना पड़ेगा, वो मॉइस्चर निकल जाएगा वहाँ से, पानी नहीं डालना है अभी।
ठीक।
किसमें करेंगे, छोटा भी कर लो वहाँ से।
बच्चे लोग
फर्स्ट ईयर के
क्या पता वो एडमिशन करना है कि क्या करना है। आसिफ बोल के कोई रिश्तेदार लगा।
उसके
आसिफ गांधी
अच्छा
सर।
अच्छा, वो भी वैसे आसिफ गांधी, वो मैराथन में जो दौड़ते थे वो। ओके,
लेटर पेपर लो, 36 ने क्या है ना